Hi there, Holly Shields here for kalkinemedia. Who is BitBoy? Let's uncover the rise of the crypto YouTuber. But before I reveal all, please give our channel a sub and hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. It's the big chasm between cryptocurrency's popularity and the wider population's understanding of cryptocurrency, where Ben Armstrong thrives. Armstrong, otherwise known as BitBoy through his YouTube channel name, BitBoy Crypto, is a successful YouTuber who specializes in providing crypto knowledge to his subscribers. His channel provides the latest crypto news and trading advice, and his videos have amassed nearly 107 million views. But first, let's wind back the clock back to how it began. In 2012, Armstrong discovered cryptocurrency. This was the early stages of crypto, with Bitcoin having been around for only a few years and a handful of other newly created altcoins. Armstrong says he had an immediate interest in the industry, but he says he didn't want to jump into it straight away. Instead, he wanted to learn about things like the way the market conditions impacted the price of the various cryptocurrencies, and studying the cryptocurrencies themselves. After a lot of researching, Armstrong decided to invest in Bitcoin, valued at just $5, a far cry from its price in 2021. Soon he was making good returns on his investment. Things came to an abrupt halt in 2014, however, when Japan-based crypto exchange Mt. Gox was hacked, leading to a loss for its customers of 740,000 bitcoins and 100,000 from the company itself, a combined value of around $460 million at the time. The hack led to the bankruptcy of Mt. Gox at the end of 2014. Despite the setback, Armstrong kept his interest in the digital currency, and he maintained investing only this time with a more measured and strategic approach. In fact, like many successful people, Armstrong took what he had learned from the Mt. Gox debacle and used it to better his investment strategy. This goes in line with his main thesis in life, which is to master a subject and then find a way to make money, instead of jumping straight in without knowledge. Moreover, the highs and lows Armstrong experienced in those first 2 years of trading made him realize that besides trading in cryptocurrency, he also wanted to teach others how to invest. Armstrong continued to read and learn everything that was on offer relating to crypto and crypto trading. He stresses the importance of being patient in researching new coins before investing, or simply waiting for the right time to out on a trade. He adds that the crypto industry is not the right place for those looking for overnight success. Despite this claim, Armstrong recognized that people don't necessarily have the time to do intense daily research. Instead, they want information on whether a particular digital currency is going to provide healthy returns or not. Thus, his YouTube channel BitBoy Crypto was born, where he provides a wealth of information and encourages his hundreds of thousands of subscribers to trade wisely. It's a refreshing take within an industry that often seems concerned with selling the idea of overnight riches to anyone willing to listen or pay for some kind of coaching. Armstrong soon created a separate crypto news channel after realizing that putting so much info on one channel would likely confuse his audiences. His BitBoy Crypto News channel looks at things like the performances of various cryptos, as well as the world events and how they may be impacting the price of various cryptocurrencies. For example, in a video titled Best Outcome for 2020 US Election, Armstrong examined who would be the best president for Bitcoin out of Donald Trump and Joe Biden. As well as providing news, BitBoy Crypto offers advice on effective investment strategies. Suffice to say, he's someone to keep an eye on. Well, if you like this info, please give us a like, comment, and a share. Sub to our channel, and while you're at it, press that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. For regular updates and info, log on to our website at kalkinemedia.com. This has been Holly Shields for Kalkine Media.